Verizon's push-to-talk application, Verizon PTT Plus, provides instant voice communication with one person or a group of people. It's simple, efficient, secure, encrypted, and it works wherever you have cellular coverage. There are two versions of the Kyocera Dura XV Plus for Verizon. One has the PTT button on the side. Push this button, and it's ready to use for push-to-talk. The other version has the PTT button on the top. You open the phone, push the PTT button, and it will automatically launch the application for you. Now that the app is open, you see the PTT Plus home screen, so let's take a tour. From the home screen, we can see our status and access all of the PTT Plus functions. It shows our present status, which we'll talk about in a minute, and a history of the calls made most recently. We can highlight one of these entries and press the PTT button to initiate a call from here, or select it to see call details. The Instant Personal Alert feature is covered in a separate short video. When you select Options on the right of the home screen here, it offers a variety of actions. For instance, you can change your presence. Presence lets you tell all your PTT Plus contacts whether or not you're available for a call. If you choose Do Not Disturb, then anyone who has your contact name in their phone will see you go from Available, indicated by a solid circle icon, to Do Not Disturb, indicated by a circle with a line through it. When you log out of the PTT Plus app or turn off your phone, your status shows as offline. If you want to reach someone in Do Not Disturb mode, you would use the Instant Call Alert feature. Note that if a contact is on Verizon's legacy PTT system, you won't be able to see their presence. Another thing you can do from Options is view your PTT history. The call history shows the log of all the calls and alerts that you've sent and received recently. You can press your PTT button to call a highlighted history entry or select it to see when the call was made or when this person called you, whether it was a call or an instant personal alert, and call duration. You can search. You can make a call from here, which makes it easy to connect with the most recent person or group you've spoken with. You can delete contacts, or choose the Settings menu. Back at the home screen, scroll right to view the additional tabs in PTT Plus. Contacts, which are individual PTT contacts in your phone, and Groups, which are talk groups in your phone. Contacts and groups can be administered by your company, and you may add new ones in your phone if that feature is enabled for you. And finally, there's the Favorite Contacts and Favorite Groups. To learn how to use your Verizon PTT Plus features, view the quick tutorial available in the Settings menu, available through Options, or see the other short training videos. You can also reference your Verizon PTT user guide,